What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the top 5 best baby strollers of 2026. After weeks of research, analyzing parent feedback, and comparing real-world usability, we've put together a list that covers different parenting needs and lifestyles. Whether you're looking for something lightweight for travel, an all-in-one system for daily use, or a premium stroller that can grow with your family, this list has something for everyone. As always, you'll find updated links in the description box below where you can check current prices and availability. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it really helps the channel grow. All right, let's jump right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the BabyZen YOYO2, which continues to dominate the lightweight stroller category in 2026. This stroller is specifically designed for parents who are always on the move and need something ultra-compact, easy to carry, and airline-friendly. One of its biggest strengths is its exceptionally small fold, allowing it to fit into overhead compartments on most airplanes and tight spaces like car trunks or apartment closets. Despite its compact size, the YOYO2 doesn't feel flimsy. It's built with high-grade aluminum alloy, reinforced fiberglass, and stainless steel components, making it surprisingly strong and durable. The folding and unfolding process is fast and intuitive and can be done with one hand, which is a huge advantage when you're holding your baby. In terms of comfort, the seat is well-padded, breathable, and designed for proper airflow, especially important for warmer climates. The suspension system on all 4 wheels helps absorb road vibrations, making city sidewalks and uneven pavement much smoother for your child. While it's not designed for rough terrain or heavy storage needs, if portability and convenience are your top priorities, the BabyZen YOYO2 remains one of the best lightweight strollers you can buy in 2026. Next up at number 4 is the Graco Mode's Pramette travel system, a fantastic option for parents who want maximum versatility without overspending. This stroller stands out because it offers 3 modes in one: an infant car seat carrier, a pram-style bassinet, and a toddler stroller. In 2026, Graco has refined this system to make transitions between modes smoother and more intuitive, even for first-time parents. The reversible seat allows your baby to face you or the world, and the Pramette mode provides a fully flat position that's ideal for newborns. The included infant car seat clicks in easily, creating a seamless travel system that's perfect for quick errands or longer outings. Comfort-wise, the stroller features a multi-position recline, adjustable calf support, and a large canopy that provides solid sun protection. The wheels are sturdy, and while it's not an all-terrain stroller, it handles sidewalks, parks, and shopping areas with ease. For parents looking for great value, flexibility, and practicality, the Graco Mode's Pramette travel system remains a smart and reliable choice in 2026. At number 3, we have the Chicco Bravo Primo Trio travel system, a favorite among parents who want simplicity, comfort, and reliability in one package. This stroller is designed with everyday usability in mind. The one-hand folding mechanism is smooth and quick, and when folded, the stroller stands upright on its own, making storage incredibly convenient. Chicco has further improved the folding system in 2026 to make it even more effortless. The stroller pairs perfectly with Chicco's infant car seats, allowing parents to move their sleeping baby from car to stroller without disruption. The seat itself offers multiple recline positions, ensuring your child stays comfortable whether they're alert or taking a nap. Suspension on all 4 wheels provides a smooth ride, and the adjustable handlebar ensures comfort for parents of different heights. The storage basket underneath is spacious enough for diaper bags, groceries, or toys, which is a big plus for daily use. If you're looking for a well-balanced travel system that performs consistently across different situations, the Chicco Bravo Primo Trio is a dependable choice for 2026. Coming in at number 2 is the Doona infant car seat and stroller, one of the most innovative baby products on the market in 2026. What makes the Doona unique is its instant transformation from car seat to stroller in just seconds. There's no need to transfer your baby or attach separate components. Just unfold the wheels and you're ready to go. This feature is especially valuable for parents who frequently use ride shares, taxis, or public transportation. In 2026, Doona has improved wheel durability, suspension, and ergonomic design, making the ride smoother and more comfortable than ever before. The car seat meets strict safety standards and includes side impact protection and a 5-point harness system. While storage space is limited and it's not designed for older toddlers, the Doona excels in urban environments, travel situations, and short outings. For parents who value speed, simplicity, and safety, this system is incredibly hard to beat. Taking the top spot on our list is the UPPAbaby Vista V3, the best overall baby stroller you can buy in 2026. The Vista V3 is built to grow with your family, offering unmatched flexibility and premium performance. From newborn to toddler and even multiple children, this stroller adapts effortlessly. It supports bassinets, infant car seats, toddler seats, rumble seats, and a ride-along board for older kids. UPPAbaby has upgraded the V3 with enhanced suspension, lighter materials, and improved seat ergonomics, making it smoother to push and more comfortable for your child. The large wheels handle snow, sand, gravel, and city streets with ease. One of the standout features is the massive underseat storage basket, perfect for groceries, diaper bags, and everyday essentials. The fabrics are high quality, breathable, and easy to clean, while the adjustable canopy provides excellent sun and weather protection. Although it's on the premium side in terms of price, the Vista V3 delivers exceptional durability, versatility, and long-term value, making it the ultimate all-in-one stroller for 2026. So, there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best baby strollers of 2026. Each stroller on this list excels in its own category, whether it's lightweight travel, everyday convenience, or long-term family use. The key is choosing the one that best fits your lifestyle, budget, and parenting needs. If you want the best overall performance, the UPPAbaby Vista V3 is hard to beat. For maximum convenience, the Doona is a game changer. And if travel is your priority, the BabyZen YOYO2 remains a top contender. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.